Diagnostic tools, also known as remote live tools, are tools that admins can use to diagnose problems on the network. Ping sends a small message to another device or remote host. Admins use ping to test whether devices can speak to each other. Blink LEDs. The device will blink a small green light on the front of the switch. Admins use this to quickly identify a target device without having to locate their serial number on the back. Throughput measures the amount of traffic that actually passes through connected devices. This differs from bandwidth, which refers to the theoretical max of data that could pass between two sources. MTR means MAT's traceroute and combines the functions of traceroute and ping into a single tool. MTR provides a list of routers or switches traversed, packet loss diagnostics, and catalogs the amount of time it takes for a message to return back to the sending device. Cable test determines the integrity of the physical link of the switch. In the field, you would want to enter the port number. Cycle port turns the port on or off. Again, we would want to enter the port number. MAC forwarding table pulls up the list of devices that the current switch communicates with. Wake client remotely activates devices by MAC address or VLAN.